Hello, today is the 28th day of the 30 Days of Code Challenge. The name of the challenge is RegEx, Patterns, and Internet Database. Okay, let's understand the statement. Consider a database table, emails, which has the attributes first name and email ID. Okay, given n rows of data simulating the email table. Print an alphabetically ordered list of people whose email address ends at gmail.com. Okay, the first line contains an integer n. Total number of rows in the table. Okay. Each of the n subsequent lines contains two space-separated strings denoting a person's first name and email ID. Okay, so in this sample input, we can see n here. So in the next n lines, we can see string with space-separated words. The first is the name, the second is the email. Okay, and we have some constraints here. N is maximum 30. Okay, each of the first names consists of lowercase letters A to Z. Okay, each of the email IDs consists of lowercase letters AZ, at, and dot. Okay, so we have at and dot. Okay, the length of the first name is no longer than 20. Okay, it's less than 20. The length of the email ID is no longer than 50. Okay, the email address is less than 50. Print an alphabetically ordered list of first names for every user with a Gmail account. Okay, each name must be printed on a new line. Okay, great. So I have a paint here. We have input 6 records. We are going to find the names with Gmail account. It means we have to find this part at gmail.com. This at gmail.com part. It cannot be at Gmail common. It cannot be common. It is not our answer because it is common. We should find at gmail.com. Okay, so it was our problem statement. Let's see our quotes. Okay, it gets n here. The line splits the line. Okay, great. And let's define a function called solve. Okay, there is name and email in here. Okay, let's send the parameters. The first is first name. The second one is email ID. Okay, then solve. In the email ID, in the email, we have to find at gmail.com. But that .com should be the final part of the email address. It cannot be something like at gmail.com. Okay, so we are saying r.e search this part at gmail.com part, but it should be the last part. This dollar sign denotes the last, the final part from email. Okay, this is called regular expressions. Simple for regex. This function, search function, searches for this part from the email, from the string. If it finds, it will return the object. If it doesn't find, then it will return none. Okay, return the answer of search. Let's call this value. Okay, if value is not none, is not none, okay, then create an array here, names, call that array names, it's empty array, names dot append first name. Okay, after the for loop, sorts the names array alphabetical order. Names. Okay, names. This sort function sorts the array in alphabetical order and print the names. For name in names, print name. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, we can see here our output. It says that our sample test case is passed. Let's submit this code. Okay, great. We have solved this problem. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.